Have you ever pondered on how to ace your beard style even during the chilliest days of winter? That's our topic for today. The winter season can be quite challenging for beard grooming. But fear not, because with the right tips and tricks, you can maintain a stylish and well-groomed beard even in the coldest months of the year. Firstly, remember that winter is a time when your skin and hair can get dry due to the cold and harsh weather. Hence, it becomes essential to keep your beard well hydrated and moisturized. Use a high-quality beard oil or balm daily to prevent dryness and keep your beard looking healthy and shiny. Secondly, winter is the perfect time to experiment with a longer beard style as it can provide an additional layer of warmth to your face. So, why not take this opportunity to try out a new look? You could opt for a full beard, a goatee, or even a ducktail. The choice is completely yours. Thirdly, don't forget to trim your beard regularly. Even though you might want to grow out your beard during winter, a regular trim will help keep it in shape and prevent it from looking unruly. Use a good quality beard trimmer and make sure to trim your beard evenly. Now, on to grooming. Brushing your beard daily with a beard brush will help distribute the natural oils evenly across your beard, keeping it soft and shiny. It also helps in styling your beard and maintaining its shape. But certainly not least, maintain a healthy diet and drink plenty of water. What you eat and drink can significantly affect the health and appearance of your beard. Foods rich in vitamins and proteins can help promote beard growth and keep it looking full and healthy. To recap, winter beard care involves keeping your beard well moisturized, experimenting with longer beard styles, regular trimming, daily brushing, and maintaining a healthy diet. Remember, a well-groomed beard can add to your overall personality and style, so don't let the winter season hamper your beard game.